Hi guys, it's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and I believe you're doing great. So, today I had to hit my Instagram. It's been a long time I visited my Instagram, and I must confess, a lot of covers were there I had to clean up. But as soon as I logged in, the first video I saw was a video by the elect. That's Mr. Okposo, a very awesome music producer, piano instructor, and performer. So he was instructing, and he used the song. I don't remember the key, but he used the song "In Your Presence." Okay, let me just play it. In your presence. I'm in the key of A flat major. I am content. Okay, I don't know the words of the song as well, so please don't judge me. But that was the song he was doing, and he played a whole lot of embellishments and all that, and I was like, wow, okay. But an idea came to my mind, and I was like, okay, if you get to like the ending of the song where you might be required to play 2, 5, 1, okay, I should be able to play something else after that to keep it floating, especially when I know it's a solo piece that someone is taking, and you want to keep it floating so that the person can have time to relax and get prepared for the next session, okay, and people can be clapping, rejoicing, before we transition to the next item. So I can say, let me say I'm approaching the end of the song, and I can say, in your presence. Like I said, I don't know the words of the song. Just to keep it floating. You understand? You saw what I did. So this is the 2, this is the 5, this is the 1. So let me take it out slowly again. One more time. Okay. You understand? This just kind of keeps it floating. You can keep your pedal down. You understand? Then hallelujah, hallelujah, praise Jesus. Who am I that you are mindful of me? And you know, you can just flow from there and do whatever you're doing. I don't know if you get the point. So it's more of you want to keep that stuff floating, okay? Then before you transition to whatever you want to do. So that's basically it, okay? So please keep on using this. You want to play like a pianist. These are one of those things you do that makes people know and recognize that you are a pianist. It doesn't sound too much like Jesus. I've been having this whooping cough, and my chest aches, my back, the spine aches as well, headaches, catarrh, and all that. Guys, please be praying for me, okay? I'm still trying to be better. Okay, so, but all these things I'm just showing you are very, very simple things. You can notice that it's not much chords and all that. It's just simple, but very essential stuff. Very essential stuff. I love having this anchor between two sessions. I love doing that. Unfortunately, a whole lot of churches don't understand that. They just want you, after you're done with the 2, 5, 1, then you just go to the next song. They just want you to go to the next song directly. Don't do things like that. Keep it floating a little bit then before you move on to the next song. Alright, so It's well. It's well. Thank you so much and goodbye.